It is windy, guys. Today's still the 5th. But we're taking Remi in Egypt for a walk. Yes, hold on. She's excited. But look at how windy it is. It is crazy. She's a little excited. This is her excited. I know. Are you excited? Yeah, we decided we'd take a bowl. We'll do something with Vinnie later. And now it's time to go for a walk. It is so windy, so I'm just going to voice over a little bit. But look at the sky. It's apparently supposed to rain as well. So it's a good thing we took them for a walk. It's so windy today, girls. It's windy, girls. Yeah. Beautiful day, though. It's supposed to rain. We'll see. Good girls. Fall colors. There we go. It's so windy today. Good girls. They are so adorable, and we had a good time. A tired dog is a happy dog, and they really needed a walk today. Righty. Good girls. Happy dogs. Alrighty. We're not going too far. We're just going around the block today. No park. Because it's going to rain. Can't believe how windy it is. Oh. There we go. Girls are enjoying their walk today. The afternoon walk. Afternoon walk. Good girls. Woo. Look at that. All windy. There we are. Hi, girls. We're almost home. Good girls. It's a windy day. Woo! Vinnie, we are back home. Remi and Egypt had to go to the bathroom again when they came back home. They're like, we gotta go. This walk made us have to go. Sometimes they don't go number 2, you know, or number 1. But we are home, homie land. It is really windy, guys. Like, crazy. Even though Remi went for a walk, she wants to play with toys. This is one of Vinnie's toys. Give me it. Give me the bear. Give me the bear. Ah! Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. It is definitely destroyed, isn't it? Oh. Alright. But like I said, a tired dog is a happy dog. So get out there with your... Alright, guys. I'm going to try to play with Vinnie. So, oops. Here, Vin. Oh, get it, buddy. He's like, no. You want this one? Right, get it. Whoa. Get it, boy. No? There we go. Good boy, Vin. There you go. I guess I will put this in the vlog. Yeah. Ready? Get the ball. Yeah, there you go, Vinnie. So I'm trying to get him some love. He knows. Look, you're going to get exercise, too. There you go, bud. It's really windy. Good boy. Good boy. Get that purple one. Good boy, Vinnie. So I'll just hang out with Vinnie. And you guys have a great day. Good boy, Vin. Good job. Around. There you go. Here, Vin. Get it. Oh, run. There he goes. He's going to do some exercise. I'm going to end this clip. But look how windy it is. I'm going to continue playing with Vinnie. So a tired dog is a happy dog. So get outside with you. Oh, it got caught on my finger. So get outside with your dog. Good catch, Remi. She loves it. I am surprised she's not tired from the walk. Silly girl. I'll do something later with Vinnie. Probably won't record it. But yeah, the girls went for a walk. So we decided we would. But hopefully this video is not too long. But that's alright. Get her, Ram! She loves it. Anyways, I'm going to end this vlog. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing in yourself. Embrace what today has to offer. And every day.